Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to another video, and today we are going to talk about immigrants. I mean especially the American immigrants. Immigrant means a person who comes to a country where they are not born in order to settle there. Nowadays the high topic is the American immigration, but why all the fuss when the human is the only animal of the world with full consciousness and responses and the best of the creations from Almighty. But still some of the human proud of their things over another human, just being born in American soil by the grace of the God, where God just blessed them with the color, look and appearance, and they are so proud over what they have been given by the Almighty over the other creations of God. When God is testing your soul with God's blessings, like except the color, they were just like the other human rest of the world, but they envy at such level that they made them the white, and that's why they are superior. But it is totally wrong, just more wrong when we thought about superiority. When you know you will be judged by your action and having envy inside you, you never be able to act with the people at your best form, just like the way God wanted behave from us, when all the envy and supremacy only suited with the God, cause only the creator truly hold that position, none else. When you think you are better human than them, you will not value them as you should do, and which will make God angry. When you will realize you creating discriminations between God's decision and criticize over them and envy over them. With the blessings God provided you with money, health, power and your white skin tone. Isn't it humiliating to God? Certainly it is. But the white Americans, they are so proud of their skin tone that they forget about God's mercy and blessings upon us. Well, most of them don't even believe that one true God, who is capable of everything, even can change the color of your skin, which you are too proud of. But this life is for the test, and for the test you have given some tools, and when rather you utilize it at its best way, you choose to envy over God's order, and finally what will you get? You will get what God reserved for the disobedient one. And I hope you enjoy the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you all soon with another interesting video. Till then, have fun, good luck and peace.